Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to like an answer in the Ask.fm application. Now the first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, I assume that you have already prepared the answer that you want to like. In this example, I'm just going to show you how it is done with my answer, so you can like your own answer as well. This is my answer basically to a question, and you can see the heart icon down below, the second option. You can just press that and you can see that it was liked. Now that like will also appear in the person's profile, so I'm going to just check out my own profile in this case, and you can see that one like have appeared in my profile. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.